I got some butter cookies. These cookies are so good. We'll let somebody try to get into these. But I just only got one of them because I don't want to be fat. Got me some spring mix. I got some more Italian dressing. Cold foam. This is the caramel macchiato cold foam. Got some apple juice. Just got this. I put a spell on you scented candle by Huntington Home. Aldi, they have some really good candles. And this one smells different, so that's why I got this one. And then I got this really cute LED ceramic pumpkin. This is what they look when they're lit up. I just thought that was really cute, so yeah. Alright, so now I just came back to the house to like rest a little bit because it was just too much rain. Now I'm about to stop by Total Wine really quickly because I want to see if they have, I want to see if they got this wine that I had at the winery that I went to for my birthday from Chateau Elan. It smells good. But yeah, I'm about to see. We about to go to Total Wine and see if they have it, and then we coming back in because this tornado, this hurricane is about to come down and we need to be inside. But yeah. Thinking about this one. Okay, so I want to try this one. Okay, we found it. Yeah, just see this. It don't even say, but we're gonna try these two. So we just left Total Wine, and I hope y'all can hear me because these windshield wipers are really, really, really loud. It is raining non-stop. It's like almost 9 o'clock, so it's time to go home anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all all the wine that we got and like go a little bit more in depth because we got a 4th bottle. We asked the lady that worked at Total Wine what red wine she preferred, and I knew I wanted to get a Cabernet, but I didn't know which one. So she found some really good ones and I picked one. So we got 4 bottles in all. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get back home.
I've been
Alright y'all, so I am at the gas station right now. Well, I'm at the car wash. Get my car washed because she really needs it. And she needs to be vacuumed. So we get Candy spruced up a little bit. I don't know where we about to go. Just know we about to go somewhere because I'm hungry. And I've been in the house all day. So now I'm finally outside. This is what my hair looks like. I did like a braiding curl. And I wanted to go for something different. I always do the braiding curl, then I just wear it like just down. And I wanted to do something different. So I did this little half updo, half down type of do. And I don't know, I think it's cute. It looks really low maintenance because it honestly is. I just threw it up. I ain't even brushed or nothing because I want to keep the look when I take it down. But yeah, so this is just the look. I'm wearing this really cute dress. I got it a couple months ago and I never got to wear it. And like, it's fall now. So, and we still got summer weather. So I'm trying to wear all my summer stuff that I never got to wear. I'm trying to wear it. I did post this. I did a haul, and this dress was in it. I don't know when that haul is coming out. I don't even know if I'm gonna put it out or not because I haven't even edited or nothing. Yeah, I'm just going out. Might have a few drinks, might not. I'm really just hungry. Like, I'm hungry. So that's what we about to do. But yeah, I'm getting my car washed and I'll come back to you probably when we out to eat or just something. We'll see. But alright, y'all. I've been watching you.
It ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, you'll take me for. Get up on me, you gotta make a call. If I've been talking, stop and check on me tonight. Would you see would you come over and check up on me? Oh, we could be honest, closer to me. Oh, giving me solace. Promise that you